Under investigation? Oh, wow.
Under investigation?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that even supposed to mean?
You should take the video of the one that looks like a little ghost.
Of course you will.
What? There's a little ghost in the middle and then a little
Said of
sticker.
course. It's just a little thingy. It's not that important.
Boobies!
Oh my god.
Tatas! Tetas. Bruh, why are they covering her face? She's flipping.
Because she's just a body. Shit. Oh, she's flipping somebody off? Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, see?
They covered her face. What the fuck?
I wonder what her facial expression was.
She's probably bad as fuck. Bad as fuck.
Thought that was a dick. Doesn't it look like a dick?
It looks like a dick.
Right.
Does look like a dick.
Penis land. Flippy right now is trying to do this thing where Flippy and Fatima are trying to do this thing where they shift in their dreams to a whole nother like reality and shit.
Oh god. No.
They're trying to go to My Hero Academia's reality right now.
Oh my. Just
Yeah.
get on VR chat.
Honestly, same thing.
Dyke.
Whoa. Oh, there's a woman too.
Yeah, I see it.
George, I love you.
Andrea.
Andrea.
Does this say Bay of Pigs?
Huh?
No, never mind. I don't think it does. I thought I saw a sticker that said Bay of Pigs. And I was like, wait, what?
Merc, sorry. I love my mom.
I love Mama. Oh, shit. Hey, that one says boobs or something.
What if someone spray painted? What if someone tagged their Venmo account?
That's, I mean,
What if actually didn't spend the
I
money?
think a lot of people would like request to be paid. This is where we're gonna enter from.
Mark.
COVID-19. I was not, it was recent. So this is, yeah. This all looks pretty recent. Dude, that man had time to do that. Yeah, I know, you know this stuff is so unregulated. There's nobody here. Alright, cool. Are these abandoned buildings? I don't think these are abandoned though. We need to go back to the car to get another, thing.
Screwy.
What is that up there? You see that? Oh, it's a chair.
Really?
Yeah, a rolling chair. Yeah, I had a rolling backpack once, but I immediately got rid of it.
I did. I fucking rocked that shit.
Dude, what do you, could you not like read social cues or something?
Probably not. But I rocked that shit in elementary school. I was in middle school. Eventually I had one.
Just a rolling backpack. A pink rolly backpack. Wow.
That's all I remember. I don't remember the design. I know it had design. That's all I remember. It was I just remembered I had a super nice backpack all throughout middle school. And I don't know. It was a nice backpack.
That's so gross. Wait, where's the hole? Where's the opening? It's over there?
Yeah.
Or was it back there? Oh look, there was a hole that was covered up right there. So someone does cover this shit up. I think that was abandoned actually. No, it's not abandoned. It's open, but is it abandoned? That's the question. No, I don't think it's abandoned. It's not abandoned. So someone's in there instead of working. We should scope out this area too. Get caught by police, we're dead. Police here are very different from the rest of the world, and especially in California.
So you remember?
CHP? What the fuck?
I forget Cervantes. He's Flippy's uncle.
He's Flippy's uncle?
Yeah?
What?
Yeah, Cervantes is Flippy's uncle.
That's hilarious.
Oh, I miss that man, dude.
I'm debating whether that little hole under is enough to go in. Is this door open? Wait, I think this door's open. I think this door's open. That's nailed in.
It doesn't have the time.
I think this is abandoned. And it used to be a house. Oh no, cast stone. No, it's not a house. Well, I think it was, and they just expanded on it.
Castle.
I don't know. A castle?
The fuck?
That's what you said, a castle.
Castle.